Welcome to Automotive News Channel, your go-to destination for detailed, insightful car reviews covering design, performance, and technology. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Mercedes-AMG CLE 53 Coupe, a high-performance luxury sports coupe that blends AMG power with everyday usability. In this full review, we'll explore the exterior styling from front to rear, the thrilling engine and performance, and conclude with an overall assessment of what makes the CLE 53 stand out in the performance coupe segment. Let's get started. Front design. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG CLE 53 Coupe makes a bold first impression with its aggressively styled front fascia. The signature AMG grille features distinctive vertical slats and an assertive stance that emphasizes performance intent, while sleek LED headlamps wrap into sculpted bodywork to enhance visual width and depth. Functional air intakes integrated into the lower bumper not only accentuate the sporty look, but also serve practical aerodynamic and cooling purposes. This front end exudes confidence and sets the tone for a car that's equally at home on highways and winding back roads. Side profile. From the side, the CLE 53 Coupe showcases a flowing coupe silhouette that blends elegance with athleticism. Its long, sculpted hood and frameless doors emphasize an elongated profile, while pronounced wheel arches house bold AMG-specific alloy wheels that hint at the car's performance capabilities. The smoothly sloping roofline transitions seamlessly into the rear, enhancing aerodynamic efficiency and lending a sleek, fastback demeanor. These design elements work together to create a car that is both visually striking and functionally refined. Rear design. At the rear, the 2026 Mercedes-AMG CLE 53 Coupe continues the theme of purposeful performance. A set of quad exhaust outlets integrated into the sculpted bumper signals the powerful engine beneath the hood. LED taillights span across the back with a modern, cohesive light signature, while subtle diffuser elements help streamline airflow for improved stability. The short deck and defined rear spoiler add to the coupe's athletic character without compromising on luxury appeal. Interior design. Inside the CLE 53 Coupe, Mercedes-AMG has paired athletic design with premium materials and advanced technology. The cabin features AMG performance seats with contrast stitching, a leather-wrapped AMG steering wheel, and a digital cockpit that includes a large 12.3-inch digital instrument display alongside an 11.9-inch portrait-style infotainment touchscreen with the latest MBUX interface with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. High-quality finishes such as soft-touch surfaces, carbon fiber accents, and optional Burmeister 3D surround sound elevate the luxury feel. Despite its sporty focus, the coupe provides 4-seat accommodation with a well-appointed rear row and generous cabin space for long drives. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2026 CLE 53 Coupe is propelled by an AMG-enhanced 3.0-liter inline-6 turbocharged engine equipped with a mild hybrid system and an electric auxiliary compressor, producing 443 horsepower and 413 pound-feet of torque. This advanced powertrain delivers brisk acceleration and strong torque across a broad rev range, making the coupe feel responsive in both city driving and high-speed scenarios. The engine is paired with a 9-speed AMG Speed Shift TCT automatic transmission and AMG Performance 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive, ensuring smooth and efficient power delivery with excellent traction control. Thanks to this setup, the CLE 53 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 3.5 seconds, offering thrilling performance that rivals many competitors in the segment. Overall, the engine's blend of turbocharged power and hybrid assist gives the CLE 53 a dynamic edge without sacrificing everyday usability. In conclusion, the 2026 Mercedes-AMG CLE 53 Coupe is a compelling blend of performance, design, and luxury. Its bold front fascia, athletic side profile, and refined rear styling communicate both presence and purpose on the road. The AMG Enhanced Inline-6 produces exhilarating performance with smooth power delivery, while the advanced all-wheel drive system ensures confidence in various driving conditions. Inside, the premium interior and cutting-edge tech enhance comfort and convenience for both driver and passengers. Whether you're a performance enthusiast or a luxury seeker, the CLE 53 Coupe offers an engaging driving experience with a refined, dynamic character that embodies the best of AMG engineering. Thanks for watching Automotive News Channel's full review of the 2026 Mercedes-AMG CLE 53 Coupe. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest automotive insights and reviews. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video.